All right, hi friends. We're back now and we're going to work on some math. We've been working on sorting the last couple of days. So when we sort, remember we put things in groups that are alike. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do some sorting by shape. I have a quick video that I want you to watch. It's about 4 minutes long and I want you to watch. It's going to talk about sorting. It's going to review sorting by like objects, and then it's going to go into sorting by shapes, and then we're going to go into working into our workbook. So I'm going to move this a little bit closer so you can take a look, and I want you to go ahead and watch this video, okay? Okay, now I want you to take a look at that group of elephants. Are they all the same size? No. Are they all the same color? No. But they are alike because they are all elephants. So they can be in that group together because they're alike. We don't have to have the same size, same shape, same color. We just have to have one thing that is the same about all of them for being in that group. And in this is, they are not the same size, they are not the same color, but they are the same object. Okay, let's continue watching. Okay, let's take a look at the bears. Like the elephants, are the bears all the same size? No, they are not. Are they the same color? No, they are not. But they can be alike because they are all bears. Okay, let's take a look at the triangles. Are they all the same color? No, they are not. Are they all the same shape? Yes, they are, but they are not the same size. But the reason they can be all together is because they are the same shape. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you to pause for a second, and then I'm going to ask you to open up your math workbook, because you do have your math workbooks at home, and I'm going to ask you to open up to page 559. 559. Okay, go ahead and let's write our name at the top of the page like we normally do. Okay, we'll write our name up at the top. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the two boxes. We have two boxes. When we were sorting in the video, we sorted by two different shapes. Do you remember what shapes we sorted by? That's right. We sorted by triangles and we sorted by circles. So in your book, let's go ahead in the pink box. Let's go ahead and draw 3 triangles, just like that. And in the blue box, let's go ahead and draw 3 circles. So we can say that we sorted by triangles and circles. Now, the triangles and circles were not the same shape, nor were they the same color, but that's okay because they were the same shape. Okay? All right. Now, go ahead and turn the page. And let's look at number 1 in the blue circle, okay? Let's look at the brown, the sack, okay? Somebody wants to sort by shape. So they're looking at number 1 in the blue circle, and they're looking at the sack, and they put a sign on it of what they want to put into that bag. What do they want to put into that bag? That's right, we're looking at the shape, not the color. That's right, they want to put rectangles in that bag, only rectangles. So let's take a look at our choices. What could we put into that bag? That's right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to trace our circles that they have there. They want to put that blue rectangle in. They want to put that yellow rectangle in. They want to put that red rectangle in. And that's right, even that little purple rectangle in. Now, are these rectangles all the same color? No, they are not. Are they all the same size? No, they are not. We have big rectangles and we have little rectangles. But the reason they can all go into that bag is because they are all rectangles, okay? Let's look at number 2 in the blue circle. Put your finger on number 2 in the blue circle. Look at this sack. What shape do they want to put in that sack? That's right, they only want triangles. Now they put a picture of a green triangle there, but we can sort, we're sorting by shape, so they don't have to be green. So let's take a look at number 2 in the blue circle. Can you circle the shapes that could go into that bag? Can you find the ones that can go into that bag? Okay, let's look at them together. Can we put this triangle in? Yes, we can. Can we put this triangle in? Yes, we can. And can we put this triangle in? Yes, we can. Why can't we put in this blue object? That's right, it's a circle. It doesn't belong in there. What about this one? That's right, it's a red square. It doesn't belong in that bag. Now, are these triangles all the same color? No, they are not. Are they the same size? Maybe. But what's more important is they are all the same shape. Okay? Now, move your finger down to number 3 in the blue circle. Okay, this sack has squares in it. That's right, they only want squares. Okay, take a moment and circle the shapes that could go into that bag. Okay, let's take a look. Can this square go in? Yes, it can. How about this square? Yep. And how about that square? Okay. Why can't this go in there? That's right, it's a rectangle. How about this shape? That's right, it's a triangle. And this shape? Right, it's a circle, doesn't belong. Are these 3 squares the same color? No, they are not. Are they the same size? No, they are not. But they are all the same shape. So that's why we can put them into that bag. Okay, what I would like you to do is I would like you to do number, let me see where my numbers are here. Number 4 in the blue circle, number 5 in the blue circle, and number 6 in the blue circle by yourself. Take a moment, pause the video, and go ahead and do that. And then we'll be right back to check them. Okay, if you're done, you can go ahead and check your work to mine. If you look at number 4 in the blue circle, we circled only the circles that can go in. Not the same color, not the same size, but they are the same shape. Now, number 5 was a little tricky. If you look carefully, that's right, they wanted squares in there. But let's take a look. These 2 squares were pretty easy to find. This one might have been a little tricky, because what did they do? That's right, they turned it on its side and made it like a diamond. But if you really look at it, if you turn it straight, it's still a square, so it can go in that bag. All right, and let's take a look at number 6. Okay, they wanted triangles, but what did they do with that triangle? That's right, they turned it upside down. Still a triangle though, whether you put it upside down or upside straight or right side up. All right, so let's take a look. This was a pretty easy one to find, right? Because that's a triangle, just look around. Now this one, they turned it on its side, but it's still a triangle. And let's take a look at this one. They kind of flattened this one out a little bit, but it's still a triangle. All right. Now what I'd like you to do is go ahead and turn your page. Okay. And we're looking at this page. Okay. We're looking at this page. Now what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to give you the directions. I'm going to do the first couple with you, and then I'm going to have you pause it and do it on your own, and then we can check it together, okay? We're going to color our shapes by certain colors. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to pick up a red crayon, okay? Take a red crayon, and your job is to color all of the circles in with your red crayon, okay? So you're going to find all your circles and color them in with your red crayon. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up your orange crayon and you're going to find your rectangles. And you're going to color them in with your orange crayon. Okay? Then you're going to pick up your green crayon right here. And you're going to find your squares. Okay? And you're going to color them in with your green crayon, okay? The last shape you're going to look for is you're going to look for your triangles, okay? And we're going to color them in neatly, of course, with our blue crayon, okay? So I'm going to have you pause the video, finish your work, and then come back to me and I will have it here for you to check your work. Okay, go ahead and do your work. Okay, you finished? All right, now what you're going to do is go ahead and check your work to mine. Make sure that you colored in the shapes the correct color. So go ahead and check yours to mine. Okay, you can pause it so you can see it. All right, now, so just to review, when we sort, we can sort 3 different ways. We can sort by shape, which we did today. We can sort by color, and we can sort by size. There are 3 different ways that we can sort. Sometimes we're going to have same size, same color. Sometimes we're going to have same shape, same color. But as long as the objects that we're sorting have one thing alike about them, then we're able to sort them together. Okay? All right, great job on your math today. Tomorrow we're going to sort in a different way. We're going to sort by number. We're going to sort by groups that have the same amount in them. For example, we're going to sort things that might have 3 objects in them, and another group might have 4. So we're going to sort by number. It's a little bit trickier, but we're going to work on that together tomorrow. All right. Let mom and dad just check over your math workbook pages to make sure they're neat, they're complete, and that you colored things in correctly. And then you may go ahead and put a smiley face or a star at the top of each of your page. And then you're going to keep them in your math workbooks. Don't pull them out right now. We're just going to keep them in there, even though we pull them out at school. You're going to keep them in your math workbooks, and when we come back together in our classroom, I will look at everything then. Okay? All right, great job on your math. And our next video is going to be some reading. We're going to work with a Venn diagram. All right, I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.